Want to make a private YouTube playlist public from your PC? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. First, you will need to open a web browser on your computer and go to youtube.com to access your account. Once you are on YouTube, click on the playlist button from the menu. You will see all the playlists that you made. Every playlist has a three-dot menu icon next to it. Click on the three-dot menu. Click on the Edit from the menu. You will be able to edit the playlist. On the playlist details page, look for the Visibility drop-down menu, which will currently be set to Private. Click on this drop-down menu and then select the Public option to change the playlist's privacy setting. Finally, make sure to click the Save button in the top right corner to apply the changes and make your playlist public. And that's how you can make a private YouTube playlist public from your PC, ensuring your content is discoverable by everyone. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.